Handheld circular saws go back to when we first got electricity in our homes, the 1920s. The pros at Circle Saw show us an old one compared to a new one.
Here's something we all know, we've all used. 7 1/4 inch standard circular saw, right? What was lacking there? 1, it was heavy. 2, you always made a mess. There was no dust extraction. And 3, you were limited on the bevels that you could cut and angles. While we still have and make that style of circle saw, because there's a place for it, when you start getting into the more detailed, the more need for accuracy, and the more specialized jobs, here's an option. This is the Festool TSV 60. This particular saw excels when you're cutting laminate. The reason being, 1, it's a plunge cut saw. 2, it has a scoring blade in the front. So what that's going to do, it's going to cut your laminate before the blade. So here's a short little comparison on a piece. This is typically what you're going to achieve with an older technology. It's going to be a lot of chip out. 1, because of your debris. 2, because that blade just running through there. This is a Festool standard plunge cut saw with a premium blade. This is what you'll achieve with the TSV 60, the latest innovation in cutting. As you can see, little to no chip out, saving you time on repairs and aesthetics to come back and clean that up.
Projects have 2 jobs, the job itself and the cleanup. New saws have a program for that.
Another huge benefit is your dust extraction. Everything with Festool is a universal fit. So that dust extractor can be connected very easily to our dust extraction. Plug it in to the vacuum, you'll have automatic start technology. So when you just press that trigger to start cutting, you're pulling all that debris out of there, giving you the ability, unlike 10 years ago, to work inside an occupied house or dwelling and be virtually dust-free.
The best thing power tools have changed over the years, safety features.
Another feature that you didn't have on the old saws, think safety, right? What happened when that bound up? That saw jumped out of the workpiece, that injured you, heck, could even cut off a finger, right? New innovations you'll see on a lot of our saws and a lot of the other ones too out there, kickback technology. When this unit senses that that blade has bound up in the workpiece, no longer is that saw going to jump out, creating a hazard. It's going to disengage the unit. You'll see that flash red, and you know, hey, I just saved myself. Hit that button for restart, and you're ready to go again. With Circle Saw and Festool, from Festool, you're going to have a 3-year all-inclusive warranty. And with Circle Saw, they're more than happy to help you get that unit logged and get that unit shipped out.
One of the many reasons Circle Saw is where I go to get the right tool for the projects I'm working on. That's why they're a certified Home Show Pro. For HomeShowRadio.com, I'm Tom Tynan.